Hello, and welcome to this guided little light meditation designed to restore and balance your solar plexus chakra. Find a safe and comfortable position lying down on your back. And once you're settled, close your eyes, bringing your hands to your belly and taking a moment to find and feel your breath. Bringing your awareness to the rising and falling of your hands and belly as you breathe. The expansion that comes with each inhale, belly and hands rising, and the contraction that comes with each exhale, belly and hands lowering. Don't change the pattern of your breath, just noticing the flow, the rise and the fall, the expansion and contraction. If at any time you find that your mind has wandered off in thought, be kind to yourself and bring yourself back by focusing on this flow of your breath, following the inhales and the exhales, the lifting and lowering. Take a few more breaths, noticing and experiencing the flow of your sacred breath. On your next inhale, picture yourself strolling along a lush and clear mountain path. Feeling energized and powerful, you let the path guide you to your destination. Take in your surroundings, the bright sun above you bathing everything in a golden light. Feel its warmth on your skin. Listen to the warm breeze whispering through the trees. Smell the fragrant wildflowers. Feel the ground beneath your feet with each sure-footed step you take. Your path leads to the most exquisite temple carved into the mountainside. You step inside and feel butterflies of excitement flutter in your stomach. Although familiar, each time you visit feels like new. The magic of this space engulfs you. Feeling energized and powerful, you continue to let the path guide you to a golden staircase. You take the stairs leading down one flight. With each step down, you grow more at ease, more settled, more assured, knowing you are exactly where you're supposed to be. After descending the stairs, you walk around and come upon an extraordinary golden statue of a powerful warrior. You are very taken by this statue and the courage, confidence, and inner strength it embodies. You notice a lustrous gem above the navel, and you place your hand on it. As soon as you do, a secret yellow door appears behind you. You open the door and step inside a long, large room with a beautiful writing desk near the door and a warm fire at the far end. You take a seat at the desk and notice a paper and pen. The paper has a question written on it and a large blank space for a response. The question posed is, what is holding you back from owning your personal power? Make a list of the obstacles standing in the way of your self-empowerment and instances where you lacked courage and self-esteem. Take some time to think about the answer to this question. Then visualize yourself writing the answer. Feel the pen in your hand as you press it to the paper and write it down. After you finish writing down your answer, you notice the desk has a drawer. You open the drawer and find a beautiful golden yellow gift box. The card on the outside reads, "When you're ready to face your challenges and stand in your true power, open this box. Then make your way across the room and feed your list to the flames." You place the list in your pocket and open the exquisitely wrapped box. And you find what looks like a tiny piece of the sun inside. You take the tiny particle of golden energy out of the box and bask in the warm glow. It fills you with an overwhelming sense of personal power and self-esteem, empowering you to take risks in order to transform and grow to fulfill your true purpose. You take a deep breath and breathe in the radiant particle of energy. It makes its way down to your solar plexus chakra in your upper abdomen between your navel and your sternum, joining with the bright yellow energy swirling there. If the energy at your solar plexus chakra is too fast, and you're someone that leans towards being angry, controlling, judgmental, critical, or stubborn, visualize the particle slowing the swirl down. If it's too slow, stagnant, or blocked, and you're someone that has a lot of self-doubt, is self-conscious, has low self-esteem, is insecure, anxious, or scared of being alone, visualize the particle speeding up the swirl. Take a few breaths to visualize that yellow ball of swirling energy in the upper abdomen becoming smooth, steady, and balanced. Each inhale making the yellow more radiant, and each exhale making the energy stronger. When your solar plexus chakra is balanced, you have true inner power and strength. You respect and accept yourself. You have the ability to take risks and know you'll be able to handle any situation. You don't fear rejection or criticism and are not afraid to stand apart. Your solar plexus chakra is your inner power, that fire within you. Picture and feel that warmth and energy igniting within you and growing, moving out from your core, up into your chest and shoulders, down into your belly and hips, up and down your arms, up and down your legs, up to the crown of your head, and down to the tips of your toes. The warm, potent energy coursing through your entire body, filling your every atom with the unique strength and power of you. Feeling energized and confident, you begin to make your way toward the fire. When you notice the room is full of obstacles and hidden traps, and you feel a strong presence at your heels. You listen to your gut and allow it to guide you to overcome each challenge and obstacle, vanquishing any self-doubt. Yet you keep catching a golden glimpse in the corner of your eye. Take a few moments to visualize yourself making it across this room, defeating all the physical and mental challenges and traps. You finally make it to the fire. Feel its warmth. You take that list of things holding you back out of your pocket and toss it into the flames. Visualize all these hindrances, obstacles, and instances going up in smoke. You see that there's another door out of the room on the other side of the flames. Without hesitation, you jump over the flames, open the door, and find yourself face to face with a golden warrior. But realize you're looking in a mirror. That courageous, strong, golden warrior that you were so drawn to, the one you felt at your heels, is your inner warrior. Take a few more moments to embody this transformation into your inner warrior, to truly own your power with grace, to not shrink or play small to fit in. Picture this warrior giving you the strength to pursue your true purpose. What does this look and feel like to you, in your mind, in your body, and in your soul? You notice the golden staircase near the mirror, and when you feel ready, you make your way out of the temple, knowing you can always return here to find your inner warrior. Bringing your awareness back to your physical body, notice the expansion that comes with each inhale, hands and belly lifting, and the contraction that comes with each exhale, hands and belly lowering. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. The writer Anais Nin wrote, "Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage." May you go into the rest of your days fired up with the courage to embody your inner warrior. And may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.